Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So temperatures are starting to climb a little bit. We're at 72 here in Sarasota, and I think we may add a degree or two onto that, but that's pretty much going to be our daytime high temperature, I think. 70 in Bradenton, 70 in Perry, 70 in Myakka. Currently 72 degrees. Dew point value, though, is exquisite. 41. I mean, that is really dry air, and it makes it feel very, very comfortable. South-southeast wind coming in at about 9. That'll turn a little more southwesterly, I think, off Gulf waters, where the water temperature will kind of keep our temperatures moderated just a little bit. By 3 p.m., we'll go with 72 again. We may have reached maybe 73 or 4 for a daytime high, perhaps 72 by 3, though. 65 by 7 p.m., and then by the time we get to midnight, 60 degrees should do it. Taking a look at the futurecast here, well, winds out of the southeast generally, and then we'll watch those temperatures start to moderate a little bit as we get an onshore wind flow, and then by 6 p.m. this evening, we'll probably see a little bit more of a northerly bend to the winds as they return to an easterly direction to start us off tomorrow morning. Temperatures bottoming out in the probably low 50s. Then tomorrow, we're going to develop a southwesterly wind flow, and that southwesterly wind flow, I think, will be kind of consistent through a lot of the day because of an approaching frontal boundary. That frontal boundary is promising us a good chance of seeing some showers and maybe even a thunderstorm or two, particularly around drive time on Wednesday morning. The moisture will start to increase as well, and I don't think we'll have a big fog problem, but we will have a little extra cloud cover on the second half of the day Tuesday. And then, as I said, on Wednesday, we'll watch that line of showers begin to move in. Not much in the way of any kind of cloud cover around today, though. Plenty of sunshine around, just winds that are generally speaking out of the south turning southwest this afternoon. And a few fair weather clouds, higher level clouds, may stream in sufficiently this evening that it could be a really spectacular sunset. Could get a lot of reflecting colors off of those higher clouds, and it could be quite nice indeed. So back to the west, we have this low pressure area. This is the one which will dive off the mid-Atlantic coast and start developing into a very powerful nor'easter. The frontal boundary itself attached to that low pressure area will provide this line of showers that really stretches all the way back toward the center of the Gulf waters. And as it approaches us, we have one of 2 good rain chances this week. So sunny and dry today. The first good rain chance comes our way with this frontal passage probably on Wednesday morning, and then another one down the road on Sunday. Still isn't formed yet. Warmer this weekend. Look at the amount of snow showers that this nor'easter will probably produce, anywhere up to 2 feet of snow in down East Maine. And that doesn't even take into consideration the strong winds, the travel delays, the power outages. It's going to be another real mess, like the last one was, really. Frontal boundary back to the west approaches us and moves into the panhandle on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday we have that chance of some rain showers in the forecast. In fact, I'll call Wednesday morning a first alert weather day. North wind at about 10 should be a nice boating day. Light chop on bay and inland waters. We'll look for 73 as a daytime high today. Tomorrow, 76. 40% chance of showers probably later in the night. Just before midnight they may start. And probably better chance on Wednesday morning. We'll call Wednesday morning a first alert weather day, not because we're expecting anything severe, just because, you know, kids at the bus stops and whatever could be a disruption to your morning, certainly, and there could be a pop or 2 of lightning around as well. Then the next few days, some colder air will filter in behind that front, and then over the weekend we'll have another chance with another front on Sunday.